48. Sabine Chen, the first female Army officer. Sabine Chen was a martial artist and expert in medicine, making her an invaluable asset to the military. She became the first female Army officer and, during a crucial battle, single-handedly fought off 700 men while tending to her injured comrades. Her bravery caught the attention of Vice Captain Tom, who admired her strength and skill. They eventually fell in love and married after retiring from service. Sabine opened a martial arts studio, while Tom started a cafe. Their children followed in their footsteps. One became a doctor, another a pilot, and their son a police officer. Sabine's legacy continued through them, proving that women could thrive in any field. You've reached the end of published